It's Wavy J, and today we're talking about credit. A lot of people see me post on Facebook, Twitter, and other social media sites about credit. You know, everybody knows I can help you fix your credit. It's because I helped myself first. I mastered the credit game. I understand what pulls from what, how to repair, what the utilization means, and how to leverage my credit. So I knew people needed to fix their credit. So I started my own small credit repair company, helping locals and family and friends fix their credit. I need you to understand that you need credit for a house, apartment, cars, cell phones, and even for good credit cards and for good APR rates. Some of you are having no credit, are paying $300 to $400 more on a payment when you could be paying $100. So that $300-400 that you just spent by not having good credit could have been in your savings. And that's 90% of the people's problem. They don't understand what credit can do. 90% of the people don't even understand how to fix their credit, nor how to pull it, nor know how to dispute it. So when somebody's reaching out telling you they can help you fix your credit, help you restore things, you need to start paying attention to that. And no one's asking you or begging you to buy their services. We're telling you we can help you achieve certain things by taking these certain steps. A lot of you just see the money and be like, oh no, but that small investment can change your life. That small investment of fixing your credit can get you into that new car. That small investment can put you into that new apartment. That small investment can now have an approval for you for credit cards. A lot of you need to understand what credit is and how it can help you and how it can help you be financially free. You sitting at home right now listening to this, hit me up. CYS scorehelp@gmail.com. Once again, that's CYS scorehelp@gmail.com. Let me know you heard this and you're interested on what I can do to help you fix your credit. Everybody needs good credit. It's not about me knowing more. It's about me wanting to help you fix your things and help you better your life and become financial free. I've mastered this already. So I'm trying to help you guys get financially educated and financially free and be stress free and stop worrying about where it's going to come from and just fix your credit and let me teach you how to get it. So this is Wavy J, and I'm rocking with CYS scorehelp@gmail.com. Y'all let me know if you need some help fixing your credit. I'll try my best to respond back to all the emails. And we got affordable prices for everybody and budgets for all, small, big, or no matter who you are. I got a package for you. That way, there's no excuses that everybody didn't have a chance to have financial freedom. And y'all have a blessed day.